Welcome back, guys. On today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I make my gizzada, Jamaican style. So I added my 1 cup of sugar, my shredded ginger, and 1 tablespoon of my cinnamon, and I added 2 teaspoons vanilla. So I'm gonna be stirring it to give me that dark brownish look. Yes. So in the meantime, we're gonna make our dough while the coconut gives us the look that we're trying to achieve. So now it's time for us to add our flour to make that dough. So I'm adding 2 cups of flour, and I'm gonna be adding, I cut my butter in 3, but yeah, I'm adding 1 stick of butter, and I'm adding a pinch of salt. So I'm gonna knead that in until all the butter dissolve, and that's the result of it. And it actually came out perfect because that's the golden look I was trying to achieve. So now I'm trying to make the dough. I added 1/2 cup of cold water, so I'm gonna be kneading that into our dough. So stay tuned. Look at that, my nice golden dough. So I'm gonna be putting this in the fridge for 25 to 30 minutes. Yes, so all the butter and everything can soak in. Yes, and 30 minutes later yes, it's all firm and everything is ready to be set. So now I'm gonna be flouring my surface, where I'm gonna be placing the dough and forming my pinch maroon. Yeah, I think I saw them call it back in the days. I don't know if them call it so now still, but yeah, the pinch maroon gizzada. So that one the name I use I have. Yeah, I never have no the rolling pin, so what? I just drive something in the cabinet and use them have. So I'm using my vanilla bottle to make that dough turn into a pinch maroon. Yes, so as you can see, I use a plate to make a circle shape, and I think the plate made me achieve the size of the gizzada that I was looking for. So now watch my plate and now watch my buckle. But that's I use them of. I hope you now watch what I'm going on. I hope you now stay tuned and now watch me, so now I'm going to do the pinch maroon. I'm not going to do it as perfect, but I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to be pinching the edges. Yes. Yeah, perfectly done. Yes, I'm gonna use my fork to bore holes in the bottom of it, and look for my coconut. It kind of look dry still, but it don't look as dry as I think it dry, but yeah, it I think it achieved the look that I was going for. Yes. Yeah, and I did forgot to tell you guys that I put the dough in the fridge so I could firm up. Yes, so as you can see, it's firm. I'm placing my coconut trash or whatever you want to call it into my dough. So after all this, guys, you're gonna place it in the oven for like 25 to 35 minutes. Yes, mine took like about 40 minutes because I was watching it, because you know I wanted it to come out perfect for you guys. So it took me about 40 minutes to to complete. And look at that, guys, my gizzada. Watch there. Hear the crunch now, hear the crunch. So thanks for watching, guys, and please like, share and subscribe. Bye.